Let's see if we can see through him.
Right.
But before that, you have, is it twist or dread? Yours is a twist, right?
Well, I do all of them. I've had the permanent locks and I cut it.
You cut it, right?
This is it's a lock but not permanent locks.
Okay.
And I do the thread ones. So everything that is natural, if it's organic, if it's natural,
it's on him.
I am in it. Yes.
Right. And Genius has the dread as well.
Yeah,
recently, locks, right?
Yeah,
you have the locks. Sorry, right. So recently, it's been in the news that a set of triplets who are Rastafarian were being denied admission to Achimota school. That was for the male. And recently, his other sisters who make up, who joined him to make up the triplet have also been asked to leave school. That's St. John's Grammar. It's alleged that they've also been asked by the Old School Association to cut their locks before they are admitted into the school. You know, you carry it. You've carried it before. What do you say about this incident? I don't know if I should call it unfortunate or fortunate. So what do you have to say about this incident? Or Hima, let's start with you.
Okay, well, I think that it is the institution and their rules.
Okay.
And, you know, it is their institution.
Right.
If it's for the government, it is the government institution and they have their rules. So if you decide to go there, then you should be ready to obey their rules. Or there are other options that you can settle for.
Okay.
But on the other note, I think that, well, to me, I think that it is not right. It shouldn't be happening. Reason being that when the white ladies come and they have families and they have kids, and we give them admission to the same school or same school.
A case made with Achimota where there was a white girl with her long hair and everything. So people were saying that, okay, how different is she from us?
Is it because the person is white and we are blacks?
Racism,
why don't we appreciate ourselves? Why don't we give respect and place value on us even more than the way we place value on foreigners?
Right.
This is our land. We can't be slaves in our own country. You understand? You have to even prioritize us first. Because when we travel, we've traveled a lot, we lived in other people's countries.
We know how
and they don't
us.
play with their own people. I mean, where they handle their women, they are even animal safe. Their protection, the kind of protection they give them. You understand? And we are here as people, and the hair it does not make me a thief.
Of course.
You understand? I mean, there are people in jacket and tie, and the kind of things they do, the weird stuff they do.
I tell you.
And you want to judge me because I'm in locks, and because of that, you won't allow me access to school. That should not happen. But who am I? It is the institution and their rules. So if you want to be there, you insist to be there. It's either you obey or leave them and go. There are other places probably that they would accept you.
Right.
Yeah.
How about UK?
I mean, I grew up in Jamaica, so Rasta face brutalism long time.
Is it because most of the time violence is associated with Rastas?
No,
okay,
that's not what it is.
Okay.
I'm not trying to go against anybody.
Right.
Because
Of course.
at the end of the day, as you said before, rule is rule and regulation is regulation. But it's the most important. Rasta are facing brutalism because of your hair, of how you look. And this is what it is. Why I should be in my own natural state, the way I look, should be walking on the street and somebody giving me the eyes and telling me that's not the way I should look. Now, who the heck is this person to come tell me need to go cut me here or shave my beard because we don't look right? No, what kind of question is that? I don't look right, so who am I? So how should I look? I was born natural. I didn't born in clothes, but I can put on some clothes. I didn't born in shoes, but I wear shoes.
Right.
When I walk up and down on the bare ground, I love it. Traveling all over the bushes as a young man, barefooted everywhere. I love it. I never wear shoes that much unless I'm going to school. As I come home, shoes off. So my natural state, I was wearing only shorts, no shirt. I'm all over the place. So the question is, I should get up and grow up. And my hair, I should change it because you asked me to. Now, if I got to work in your place and you ask me to cut my hair and I don't feel like cutting my hair, I am not coming to work. No, me no wear tie. And me no wear shirt. So me no feel comfortable wearing tie. So if me put on a tie, I feel like it's a noose.
Okay.
And the noose remind me of them hanging people in America. And the noose is a noose. And then you have me wear a noose to look good with a jacket and tie. I don't feel good with no noose.
Okay.
Me haircut and all them. No, so me like to stay natural. But if the person don't want to go and get home training, or go learn lessons somewhere else, private school or something, but you don't have to go where them is. If you don't like the rules, just don't go. That's how we see it. And it's their rules,
right?
But you can't change nothing. Me, I can't tell you what to do. Me, I will tell you, for me, I'm not going.
Okay.
And I won't be learning any type of lessons from them because I won't be going.
Right. Simple.
Very simple.
Very simple, right? So, Ahima, is this going to be the only song we're going to hear from you, or there's more to come?
Definitely not. I mean, the feedback alone.
Of course.
The call is already plenty that Ahima Charlie, so we want more. We want more. If this is how great is going to be, then we want more of it. So definitely I have to do more. I'll do more. I'm already on a record label. It's our boys records in Brooklyn, America.
Oh.
So yes, Ohima Eje is an artist. The newest artist in Ghana, already on a record label in America.
Wow.
You understand? And her songs playing already in Jamaica, America, and in most of the regions in Ghana.
Right.
So this has come to stay. It's not like we're playing. You understand? Yeah.
We don't come to play, no. But it's actually very, very admirable. The fact that we know you're a philanthropist, an entrepreneur, you do the media and now music.
Jesus, this girl will do everything. So
right,
I want to be remembered for that. At least it's a legacy.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Really, you guys.
Yeah, right. You know, I have a drinking bar and restaurant.
Yes. We should come there.
I even deal with fugu, original northern kente and shoes and.
Hey,
Charlie, maybe
going forward, now we know so why reggae dancer.
Yeah.
What other genre would you go into?
I want to maintain.
Oh, okay.
Until said demand is very high. Until said I want to be in the lane.
Okay.
The song we did, everybody will testify to the fact that it is not like what we already have in the system. This is pure international standard of music, and I want to be in my lane. You know, I've always loved to be me and my lane. I don't like competition, so that to be better and I just crowd that one I'm in until I'm in my lane and I'm doing Jamaican reggae dancehall tunes and doing this with K Genius. I'll be doing alone and doing with K Genius most of the time.
Okay, so, beautiful.
Yeah.
So K Genius, you've been here. Even if you haven't been here, you've heard our dancehall artists in Ghana. You've heard some of their tunes. What do you say about them? Are they on track?
No, you want to put myself in a spot like everybody else. You want to say put the person if they're on the right track. I mean, what's the right track? You know what I'm saying? So okay. I mean, I'm trying to get what's the right track. When a person sings a song, whether it's R&B, hip hop, whatever the genre is, nobody will question the R&B, whether he's African or Spanish or whatever he's doing R&B. It doesn't matter what he does, right? But if you step out into something else, a different language, and you're not familiar with that language, how you think you're gonna sound? Once you start singing, you actually just created a new language. So what Shatta Wally, Stoneboy, and them doing is they created something for themselves, not even knowing that's what they did, because they're trying to sound like something else. Me started to sing like tree. You hear my tree song or it sound? It don't sound not like tree, but it sound like a yard tree.
Right.
The first international Jamaican yard tree. So I sound like I sound tree, but it in a reggae dance, a reggae culture, roots tree. But it sound reggae, but it is tree in its own way.
So then, what they're singing is not really patois.
It's patois, but the language is just a little bit. You know, the dialect is a little bit different. So that's all it is. It's nothing else. So would I say anything about what they do? No, they're in them own lane. If they don't know that they're in them own lane, I feel them problem that, not my problem. Or she said, I want to stay in my lane. I like where I'm going to stay in my lane. That's
where you are.
See, Oma is smart enough to say, Genius, coach me. I want to sound patois, and that's what I did. I did the same thing to her. I said, teach me tree. And even though she said, listen, it is good, don't worry about it. You don't speak tree. It's nice. I love it the way it is. That's what you're going to do. So I accept it. So,
all right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ohima, I wanted you to chant for us before we go, for a very quick spin. So let's take just 5 seconds of your chant before we go.
You know, the chant is a meditation from the Bible. You know that?
Yeah. Okay, so it has to go through a process.
Exactly. It depends on what inspiration I want to bring on the show, on which day.
Okay.
So I pick my it's like the pastor coming to preach at the church.
And has a sermon.
Exactly.
Okay.
You understand? So.
Okay, so then
it's a spiritual thing.
All right, so get into the spirit. Let's go for a spirit. When the magician comes